Hi, Beauty Tribe. Welcome to Bella's Beauty. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today, I want to talk about Influenster. Influencer happens to be a app on that you can download on your phone, and it's basically a way to get free product. Download the app, fill out some information. It's going to ask you questions about products that you like, products that you're interested in. So you just fill it out and really start engaging in the app in order to be able to potentially pick for what they call a VoxBox, which is essentially free product that you get to, review for your YouTube channel. So I'm super excited. I want to say that I downloaded this app. I believe it was like sometime in November. Been engaging. I wouldn't say that I necessarily engage every single day. But I try to be as active as I can so that way I potentially get chosen, and I'm so excited. I was selected for my first Influenster VoxBox that I just received. I just got it in the mail, so I said let me go ahead and do a tutorial for you guys just to kind of see how the product works. It was a complimentary My hair is 100% natural. It's stretched out at the moment from being in 2 braids since I do like to wear my wigs. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a wash, and I figured this was the perfect chance to use this product. It's a liquid to foam. Let me do the quick unboxing so you can kind of see what it is. This is exactly how it came in the mail. This is the box, and as you open it up, this is the product itself. So let me just open this up just to kind of let you guys know what it's like. So it has a nozzle, which I think is pretty cool because you can easily clean your hair, especially if you have braids. This will be amazing for that. So it does have no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no artificial colors. Makes sense. Has a nice scent to it. I can't put my finger on it. I wouldn't say it's like a perfume. It has a natural, fresh scent to me. It smells amazing. Has a card in it. It gives you the instructions for the Influencer program. Basically, you have to adhere to these rules so that way you can hopefully continue to get your VoxBoxes. Otherwise, you might be discontinued from the program. So just a heads up. It actually gives you a quick, directions on how to use the product. So I'll go ahead and try it out, and I'll let you guys know what the outcome would be, and we'll see. Stay tuned. I'll give you my honest review. So yeah, my hair is pretty dry. Yeah, it definitely needs a lot of moisture. So let's see. This better work miracles, people. It better work miracles. So my hair is freshly washed, and this is what it looks like. Definitely feels very squeaky clean in my roots. I generally don't pass the shampoo down to my ends. I just let it kind of run through so my ends still feel moisturized. It actually feels moisturized up here too, but I feel the cleanliness. So it feels good. No complaints. The smell is amazing. It feels like aromatherapy, so that is a positive. gonna do Bree's hair wash now. Her
My
hair
name is Brielle, but my mom calls me Bree. Good but hard.
Okay, what do you mean good but hard?
Good but hard.
Does it still smell?
Squeaky clean.
Okay, that's what it smells like, squeaky clean.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's hard.
Okay, so now we just got to put some conditioner, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll see the results after that, right?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. So we are back and we wanted to just give you some feedback on how we feel about the product. I honestly, for me personally, I absolutely love this product. Not to mention, we used it
That was good.
Yes, we used it on both of our heads for a wash
And
shampooed our hair twice, right?
yeah.
And this is the result, and this is what we're left with this product. Again, this was complimentary, so it was a free product to test, and we love it. I mean, I love it at least. How did you feel about it?
It was hard at first, but then it was turning soft, and it felt good. It was really like nice. It felt really hard though.
Hard feeling that you felt when you washed your hair, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's an honest review though. So honestly, I did agree with her on her particular hair texture. When we put the product on, it kind of gave her that squeaky clean feel, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, squeaky clean.
Yeah, but it did kind of give some roughness, and because I didn't detangle her hair prior, it did cause a lot of tangling. So I washed her hair. I did it twice. Did it only in the roots as I did mine. And we actually use the same Minoy conditioning mask. We use the same exact products on my hair as hers. And once we added the conditioner, the hair was absolutely super, super soft. Her hair actually is amazingly soft at the moment.
It's soft. At the moment it was soft, but then it turned like really, really, really soft. And like it was good and pretty when I first got it out of the shower. It was so pretty.
Did you liked it after once you washed it out and stuff, right, Poops? So it was just initially when we shampooed it, so it gave her that harshness, but after that. So I would say, it just depends on, depends on the hair texture, to be honest. But this, to me, I enjoy it. The main ingredients is water, which is amazing. There is glycerin, so that's probably what contributes to some of that harshness.
As you can see, it has some bubbles.
Yeah, there's aloe in there too.
Yeah.
It's a foam to liquid, which they know. So anyway,
and it causes bubbles.
Yeah, well, it causes foam, you mean, right?
And bubbles.
Well, there's bubbles in the bottle because that's
Cause if you cause bubble baths, it's just like bubbles. Mine was super. Okay, I'm gonna let you talk now.
Anyway, needless to say, I'm loving. Gives me Diana Ross vibes. It gives me, I don't know, but I just love it. I just absolutely love it. So yes.
And when my hair was done, it was super curly. At first, it was super curly. I wanted to leave it out for once, but Mama didn't let me.
That's okay, because you're that girl.
I'm gonna let my sweetie, when I'm bigger, when I'm a mom, I'm gonna let her wear her hair out when she asks me.
So,
but when she doesn't ask me, I'll just put a braid or something.
So if you want to rate this from 1 to 10, what would you give it, Bree? From a 1 to a 10, 10 being the best. What would you grade this based on how you felt about it? Think about how it made your hair feel. Think about the smell. Think about all the things, how your hair looks. Think about what number would you give this?
100 plus 100.
You sure? Okay, she gives it a 100 plus 100, okay? And I'll give it an 8. The only reason why I'll give it an 8 is because I don't like products that make my hair feel squeaky clean. It makes me feel like it's gonna strip the hair oils out of there. So that's the only thing that I would say for her particular hair texture, because it was different on her texture versus mine. That's the only reason why I'm rating it that way.
I like squeaky clean stuff because I don't like it dirty and stuff.
Well, that's fair.
Yeah.
That's fair, but you want to feel like soft and moisturized too, right? Okay. So if you want something that's gonna basically give you that clean feel and finish, this is the product for you. If you want something easily to be able to get into your hair, to easily wash it and foam it, this is for you. So yeah, this is a good product, I would definitely say, honestly, and you get a lot of bang for your buck. I mean, I didn't pay for it, so I'm not sure how much it cost, to be honest, but I'm telling you, like, I felt like I went a little bit heavy on my first wash, and I thought that I used a lot of product, and look, it's still a lot of product. What is it? I don't know. It's almost the full bottle. So
it's almost the best product we ever had.
That's a little old, dang. Almost, right? Okay, almost. We'll say almost. Okay, but yeah, so we did enjoy it. Thank you so much, Influenster, for this experiences and choosing me for this VoxBox. I am so excited to have tried this product, and I enjoyed it. Thank you, Carol's daughter, for making it. We appreciate you.
And thank you, God, for everything you did for us.
Absolutely. Praise him. Praise him. All right, on that note, thank you so much for joining us, and stay tuned for our next videos.
Okay, bye.
Bye.